Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about how Ayurveda can help in mild indigestion problems or mild constipation problems or mild bloating problems. Then these mild symptoms can easily be taken care of and can easily be removed from the system without going to any doctor or physician. And in these cases we will become self-aware or self-doctor for ourselves. But this I am not saying like we start doing self-medication. I am totally against self-medication, because when it comes to medication you should always consult a doctor, never take medicine by yourself. Even these days this trend is very popular, like this medicine we will search in internet, this internet says this is for this, okay, this headache, this medicine, okay, I can take it. But this is a very wrong approach to treat any disease, because when you go to a doctor, headache can be of many reasons. Sometimes this headache can be of migraine, sometimes this headaches can be of constipation, sometimes this headache, sometimes because of high blood pressure, sometimes because of stress, sometimes because of anxiety. So there are various kind of reasons, and sometimes sinusitis headaches, and like this there are various kind of things which for which we should never go for self medication, because each and every disease, it requires different kind of medicine, different kind of treatment, different kind of prognosis, and everything is different. That in my perception only a doctor can tell you the best, unless there are some universal things like how to have a healthy diet, how to have a how to change your lifestyle, how to do yoga. Even in yoga there are certain precautions, like certain people can do certain yoga, certain people cannot do certain yoga. And many people ask me like, can you give some quick remedy for our mild digestion problems, and it is not very severe, sometimes things like this, sometimes things that like that. So I thought I will create a video which will be a great help to people. First thing is, whatever I speak, whatever herb I tell to you, whatever things I speak, whatever I say, or how much I convince you, nothing in your life will change unless you change your lifestyle. So I am a big supporter of changing in lifestyle, because in lifestyle includes a lot of fruits in your diet. And if you are not diabetes and you are not very selective in fruits, in the morning when you get up, take a big bowl of fruits. After that you can have anything cooked. In lunch also have carry fruits to your office place, but don't cut those fruits, because after cutting you should consume these fruits very quickly. And some quick remedy for these kind of bloating and these kind of things is coriander tea, or there is a mixture of coriander and fennel. So I will tell you how to do it. One thing is, those of you who have coriander, coriander is a very common Indian spice and it is very available, I think, all over the world. So what you do, take 1 cup of water, put some little bit of half teaspoon of coriander in it, and boil it on medium flame for next 10 minutes. And after that, once boiling start happening, close the lid and let it cool down. Let it come to the temperature of tea, like you know how we drink coffee and tea, to same temperature. And after that you can drink it. It is called coriander decoction. It is very beneficial for mild indigestion, mild bloating problems, and mild some kind of pain sometimes happens when you don't eat very well food or you eat on odd timings. So this decoction is extremely beneficial for all these small things. And another thing, for if somebody don't have time to have decoction, so another thing what you can do, which in our traditions is very common, especially in India, if you see, that is fennel seeds. So you can take half spoon of coriander seeds, half spoon of fennel seeds, mix it well and just eat it, and just chew it properly in your mouth and just engulf it. with warm water. It would be very beneficial for your digestion, but best way is decoction. If there is a possibility, you have to prepare this. You have to prepare this decoction. It will be more beneficial for you. But if you cannot have decoction, you can eat fennel seeds and coriander this way. Also, I would like to mention there are few people who are allergic to fennel seeds. If you see what is the fennel, when I am saying fennel, if you see its botanical name, it's Feniculum vulgare. Some people are allergic to this fennel. It is not like they will get anaphylactic shock, but somehow, especially respiratory problem who have, they don't feel this fennel very compatible to the body. So, though most of the people are not allergic to it, at least 99.9% are not allergic to it, but those of you who know like they are allergic to this fennel, for them please don't take it. Also, nobody in the world, I have not heard till this case till now, like anybody is allergic to coriander, because a natural herb and it suits well everyone, but still if you feel like it doesn't suit you well, don't use it. But these are the most common prescriptions in Ayurveda we are using for mild digestion problems, and people are getting benefits out of it. So that's all for today's video, and this is a very important tip. At the same time, have your dinner early so that your digestion will go well and your digestive fire will have enough time to digest your food till next morning. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like this video, and if you're watching me for the first time, there's a bell icon, there's subscription button. You can click this subscription button, you can hit the bell icon, and you can stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. In addition to that, if you also like to support us, please share our videos so that more and more people will get benefited, and our message and your message for the whole world, like everybody should adopt yoga in your lifestyle, Ayurveda in your lifestyle. Let's spread this word so that people will become more healthy and more health conscious and meditative, so that our families will become beautiful, healthy, happy, and our next generation will feel blossoming among all of us. So that's all for today's video. I hope you will like this video. If you have any question, please write down those questions. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, bye.